Monday morning, June 30th. Here's the Astro Excel chart taking a look at last week's pattern. You can see that the green line had identified the trend pretty well again. It's really been tracking well for the last month or so. You can see at the beginning of the week we had to push down to the low on the green line. That took place here Sunday night. We made the bottom then right in here and then started tracking up. We followed the green line up, and then as we got into Tuesday, we started to go sideways, flatten out. The market was flat until Thursday, started to bounce up. We were getting into bullish territory. Here on Wednesday with that push, we had the little dip in the green line. We had a little dip in the market and then back up into Friday, solid to the close here on Friday. Let's take a look at what we've got coming up this week. Early part of the week, we're wrapped inside the 10 lines. We've got some bullish pressure today till about 2 o'clock here, or 1500 where we peak. Then we push back down to the 0 line tonight and through the day tomorrow. Tomorrow the pressure is pretty much neutral all day long, as it's just hugging that 0 line slightly into the minus later in the day, but it's kind of just a flat period there. Then we start to get a really strong bullish push on Wednesday where this green line starts to go, and then Wednesday as we get to the close of the day session, the green line breaks above the plus 10 and then moves well above the plus 30 line as we go into Friday. So the latter part of the week, particularly Thursday and Friday, there's a lot of bullish pressure on the Astro Excel. On the blue line peaks, we've got this spike peak here that came this morning about an hour ago, where we had a little bit of a topping pattern. Right now it's kind of flat, so that hasn't fully played out yet. Next big peak is Tuesday at 2100. Then we're inside Wednesday. Then we got a couple of good spikes later in the week. Here we have on the 3rd, we've got 11 and 1400. Then of course there won't be any trading on the 4th, so that's going to pretty much do it for the coming week. I'll be back tomorrow with the monthly forecast for July.